Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will be looking at an interesting algebra question. The question states that this expression ax plus 2 times 4x plus 5 minus 2x squared minus 10 is equal to bx, and we have to find the value of b, where a and b are both constants. So to begin things off, we're going to have to expand these two brackets, so that's going to give us 4ax squared plus 5ax plus 8x plus 10. I got this because using the FOIL method, we get 4ax squared by ax times 4x, which is 4x squared. We get 5ax by multiplying ax with 5. We get 8x by multiplying 2 by 4x. And we get 10 by multiplying 2 and 5. Now, we can add this last part of the expression to our new one. So minus 2x squared minus 10, which is equal to bx. Since we have plus 10 and minus 10, that's going to equal to 0, and that means we can write this entire equation as 4ax squared plus 5ax plus 8x minus 2x squared equals bx. And I didn't add the 10 because the 10s because positive 10 plus negative 10 is equal to 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. And we don't have to add any term that's equal to 0. So this is our new equation. And we can rewrite this equation as 4ax squared minus 2x squared plus 5ax plus 8x is equal to bx. This step was necessary so we can find the value of a, which we plug in to find the value of b. You'll see what I mean if that's not clear. So we can write this expression as two different bracket terms, meaning we can write this as 4ax squared minus 2x squared plus 5ax plus 8x. That's going to be for bx. So two bracket terms. That's what I mean. So, and here we can factor out an x squared. So that's going to equal to x squared times 4a minus 2 plus x, because we have a common x, times 5a plus 8, which is equal to bx. Write that 2 again. All right. From in this step, it's really important to note that bx, which is like a singular term, is equal to 0x squared plus bx. And that way, since these two expressions are equal, we can match 4a minus 2 to 0 and 5a plus 8 to b, because the x squared is matching, or it's attached to the 0 as attached to 4a minus 2, and the same principle applies to x times 5a plus 8. And using that matching principle, we can say that 4a minus 2 is equal to 0, because x squared is attached to 4a minus 2 and 0 on the left and right hand side. And 5a plus 8 is equal to b. Okay, so in order to find the value of b, we need the value of a, which we can find by solving for a in this equation. So by adding 2 to both sides, we get 4a is equal to 2, and a is equal to 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1 over 2. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Now, since we have the value of a, we can plug that into this a over here to find the value of b. So 5 times 1 over 2 plus 8 is equal to b. Now we multiply 5 times 1 half, which gives us 5 over 2 plus 8 is equal to b. And we can write 8 as 16 over 2 because 16 divided by 2 is 8. 5 over 2 plus 16 over 2 is equal to b. And since these two have the same denominator, That means we can multiply the numerator and keep the denominator to get the new value for b. 16 plus 5 is 21 over 2, which is equal to b, and that's the final answer for the value of b from the expression ax plus 2 times 4x plus 5 minus 2x squared minus 10 equals bx.